In this tutorial, you will see how to create load combinations within SDC Verifier. Predefined crane model and SDC Verifier project with already existing loads will be used. Codes checking requires to prepare load combinations of different general load cases like live, dead, wind, seismic or other types of loads with recommended in standards factors. Load case in SDC Verifier is represented as an individual load and load combination as a load set. Load set can be created by selecting necessary individual loads from the list. I will select gravity, tip load 1, tip load trolley right, tip load side, crane right and wind side load and move them to the load set. One load set will be created in this case. However, my structure is symmetric in wind and crane right directions. That allows me to save time on applying and analyzing loads in opposite directions. This is handled in SDC Verifier by setting a logic factor. As you can see, factor with an opposite sign was added. In this case, 4 load sets will be created. 2 for crane right load with positive and negative direction, and the same for wind load. Safety factor for the load set can handle the reduced probability that all loads in a combination will be acting at the same time, or can cover possible deviations of material resistance. I will create load sets with default safety factor. Besides this method, it is possible to set a matrix of factors for load sets. Press Create Multiple to open the window where you can add new load sets. List of individual loads is displayed in columns. To prepare logic load sets, like I did before, I will add 4 load sets manually. Then I will select load 1, 2, 10, 18, 26 and 28. I will set factor 1 to all selected loads and select crane right and wind side positions to apply opposite directions. Fill factor -1 and press set. One more possibility is to create load sets directly from clipboard. I will use prepared document and copy all load combinations with factors. Individual load names should not be selected. All load sets with names and factors will be added to the list. I will remove 4 first loads and press OK to create load sets in the project. After load combinations are created, they can be exported to Femap. Difference between standard and nested load combinations is that nested combinations are updated automatically when reference load cases change. For static analysis, load set result is calculated by SDC Verifier as a summation of individual load results multiplied on factors. For other type of analysis, for example nonlinear, load sets are exported in temporary load cases automatically and analyzed by Femap solver. To check what the worst combination is, it is possible to create a load group, which is an envelope of results. Include all load sets automatically and remove first 4 load sets. Press Create to create load group. It is possible to display load group results in Femap using criteria plot. absolute maximum, when measure stress, will be displayed among all points of interest in Femap. The worst results among all load sets for each element is shown in one plot.